Number 1, congruency with the thumbnail. Number 2, have a unique thumbnail. Here's ours. Number 3, have a clear structure. What we'll be doing is breaking down our top 12 essentials for making the perfect YouTube video. Number 4, show don't tell. So we're going to show you how we do them. Number 5, add a personal touch.
Get ready to wave.
Say something.
Personal touch. Yeah.
Mustache, cash stash.
Number 6, dress for your audience.
That's excellent.
Number 7, be bright and bubbly for your audience.
Yeah, that's good.
Number 8, make lots of eye contact with your audience.
Number 9, use high quality recording and audio.
I had to kick you in the ball sack. Number 10, practice perfect pacing. Eliminate any second that doesn't benefit the viewer.
11, use the rule of thirds to be visually interesting.
Number 12,
Have
fun. Honestly, this is definitely the most important rule. Always have fun.
Number 13, engage your viewer by directing them to a related video.
Check this one out if you want to see what not to do.
And number 14, invite your viewer to like and subscribe if they enjoyed your content.
Please like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think that was pretty good, right?